Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show speech as text on your screen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility. Next, go down and tap on hearing enhancements. Then go down and tap on live transcribe. Now in here, tap on open live transcribe. And now, whenever you talk or when the phone detects a conversation from anyone in your surrounding environment, it will show the text on the screen right here. Now you can tap on the settings icon, and in here you can change text size. You can make it big or you can make it smaller. You can also turn on transcription history. You can also tap on open sound notifications, so you can get notified about important sounds. Now if you tap on more settings, in here you can change the theme, show icon in the apps list. You can set the microphone, primary language, secondary language, transcribe offline, so you can use your transcribe even if your phone is offline. And you can also set custom words, saving, delete history, and a lot of other settings you can set to live transcribe services. And that's it. So that's how you can show the speech as text on the screen. Now you can also turn on live transcribe shortcut. If you tap on the left hand side panel, you can see you can assign the shortcut to the accessibility button at the bottom. You can also assign it to the volume key, so that if you press and hold on the volume up or volume down keys for 3 seconds, it will open live transcribe. Or you can set it so that if you press on the volume up key and the side key, it will open up live transcribe as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.